Huh? Na ịhụnanya ka anyị gata. Agara m sị ma were ATM wetara oyiri ego. Nna ha sị ka ọ gwụla na ATM. Ọ ya mere anyị ji nọrọ otu. Ha sị enwe ego nọ. Enwe ego nọ. Eziokwu. But it's alright. Let's be hoping maybe customer will still come.
Agaba the wise one. Agaba the wise one.
Young man, you are welcome. How are you?
I'm fine, Agaba.
My son, you're welcome.
Yes.
You know, I'm just calling you my son, just as if I can give birth to you.
Yes, it's me, John Bosco.
I know. How are you?
I'm fine.
That's why you came looking for me.
Agaba.
Yes.
You know that I said now I was there about son and
Benny.
If not something is after it, or it's after something. Agaba,
I'm listening.
there is something that.
What is it?
Bothering me.
Speak.
Very important. I have suffered a lot.
Okay.
This time around, I want everybody to obey me. Everybody, whatever I said.
Just that.
You respond to me.
You should know that this thing, sufferness runs in your lineage.
I want to break it from now.
So you cannot. Anyway, let's see if you can break it anyway. Speak to the ears of the one that is listening.
Yes.
Are you done speaking?
Exactly.
Okay. Come. Take this. When you get home, every morning, break a little piece of it. Chew before you leave your house. You can go.
Talk about the wise one. If this work, I must come to show appreciation.
They say you should go now.
Thank you.
So you have this boy. I'm going to go. Yeah. The critical. I wait a quick hair. Pay for nothing. I need to go. What the heck? I would like I won't see person and work. I'm waiting. You already loud. What the heck? Super.
Talk to you later. Okay, I'll call you back.
Yes, I'm talking to you.
Come on, man.
Yes, your khaki. Give it to me.
My khaki?
Yes.
What for?
I said, give it to me. This is
My friend, are you out of your mind?
give me this khaki. That is what I want.
And to give my khaki for what?
Yes.
For what? My khaki? My khaki for what? Come on, get out of this place, my friend. And this bastard fool. I have to give him my khaki. Is that how you control people? Nonsense. Idiot. Hello. Okay. I don't know what's wrong with the fool. I just come out from the car. Oh my. Fool.
Agaba. Agaba. You are a fake man.
What is your problem?
You are a fake man. What you give me do not work. For you to know that I'm serious of what I'm saying. Do you know what happened to me? Look at my body.
Did you just remove my cap?
For you to know that I'm serious. Do you know what it means for a soldier to beat you? I received a thorough beating of my life because of you. You assured me that it will work. It does not work. Agaba, you are a fake man. What would you do? Do you want to fight me?
Carry your cross.